Welcome back to this channel, guys. So let's take a look at Swiss franc JPY for this week. Now, to those of you that are yet to subscribe, you have not yet subscribed to this channel. Please click on that subscribe button, like, share, also make your comments. I would love to watch out for it. So let's see what we will be expecting this week on Swiss franc JPY. Let's start with the trend. We all know that markets give us three movements. Either it's giving us an uptrend move, a downtrend move, or a ranging market move. So clearly we can see that Swiss franc JPY is actually giving us an uptrend move, higher highs and an higher lows. So all we just have to do is look for an opportunity to go ahead and take that buy. So right now price is actually dropping, which would not for a while. So I would see this drop to a level of 160. Currently we are trading at a level of 161.225, right? If you check it. But I would love to see this Swiss franc JPY drop to a level of 160.550 before we can now take our buy. So I will be looking to take our buy at this support level on the 30 minutes time frame. That should now take us downward to the 30 minutes time frame. So we can see price has actually been rejecting from this level. So I would definitely expect Swiss franc JPY to actually drop to this same level. Then we can now look for an opportunity to go long again on Swiss franc JPY. So it's just simple, a correction, then we can now continue the uptrend move. So to those of you that actually you don't really know how to trade, you are blowing up your account, so you can't really trade. Why don't you just learn how to trade? Join us on our Patreon channel. The link to our Patreon channel will be in the comment section. Why don't you just give it a month for a try, just a try for a month? You just trade with us, high probability trade. Take trade with us. I mean, you will be given stop loss in entry points, take profits, and there will be an in-depth analysis of why and how we will be taking such trade. So you self can actually have one or two knowledge and also learn on how to take your trade. So it is just simple. Join the Patreon channel. The link will be in the comment section.